if you still draw your lips like a heart, let me show you a little trick that's going to make a big difference. All you have to do is draw a little hump right here. Have it overlap a little. It's going to come down like that. And then right here, I'm going to draw that bottom of the upper lip. And right here, we're going to draw a little V. And draw this curved line down to the bottom of the lip, into the chin. Okay, there's our chin. And the upper lip going up to the nose. Now all you have to do is erase those original guidelines of our heart and add all of your detail and your shading. Hey, I hope you're having a lot of fun and really enjoying the tutorial, but I wanted to remind you, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll receive an alert every time I post a new video. And if you want to take your drawings to the next level, make sure to check out my Drawing Master course at www.iamshaneburke.com. I'm going to use my HB pencil, the side of my HB pencil, to shade in all of the upper lip and a little bit of the lower lip. I'm going to leave this little space right here that's going to be white. Then grab a blending stump. We'll blend that all together to make it real nice and smooth. Then we could add our really dark shadows. We'll go back and forth with our eraser and add any highlights we need. When I'm doing these little short little lines right here, I'm drawing them in the direction that that lip is protruding. Same thing down here on the bottom. And I can blend that all together again. We'll grab our eraser and erase some of those really bright highlights to make the lips look glossy. Blend that all together. And then we'll darken up this little crease in between. And that's a little trick to turn your heart lips into more realistic lips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.